something international.
International, yes, international. നമുക്ക് ഇങ്ങനത്തെ ഒരു ടീ കെറ്റൽ വേണം.
It's superb, guys. I am not
even I am not a tea fan, but this is really awesome.
I like tea but not black teas because this is a kind of black tea because without milk. So tea without milk. I'm not a fan of tea without milk, but this is something really good. This mint and that green tea and that sweetness. It's giving it a very good taste.
Hello viewers.
Hey guys, welcome back to
Travel and Fun.
It's a weekend again and we have tried to do something very different this weekend, something international.
International, yes, international.
Yes,
so,
even though we can't go for trips, even domestic, so international is something very far away now, but this is something international in this video. So Anuka will tell you more about it in detail because she has studied a lot about it.
നമ്മൾ ഈ സുജിത് ഭക്തൻ എന്ന് പറയുന്ന ഒരു പേഴ്സൻ്റെ വ്ളോഗ് ഓൾമോസ്റ്റ് കുറേ മലയാളീസ് കണ്ടിട്ടുണ്ടാവും. സോ അങ്ങനെ മൂപ്പരുടെ മൊറോക്കൻ സീരീസിൽ നമ്മൾ മൊറോക്കൻ ടീനെ കുറിച്ച് കേട്ടിട്ടുണ്ട്. ലൈക്ക് ഓൾമോസ്റ്റ് ഡെയിലി അവർ കുടിച്ചിട്ട് പറയും നല്ല ടീ ആണ്, നല്ല ടേസ്റ്റാണ്, നല്ല റിഫ്രഷിംഗ് ആണ് എന്നൊക്കെ അവർ കുറേ പറഞ്ഞിട്ടുണ്ട്. സോ വാട്ട് ഐ തോട്ട് ഇസ് ലെറ്റ് മീ ട്രൈ മേക്കിംഗ് മൊറോക്കൻ ടീ. ആ ടേസ്റ്റ് എന്താണെന്ന് നമുക്കും കൂടെ അറിയണ്ടേ. So I'm not a tea fan basically, but എനിക്ക് തോന്നി let me try it. So we tried to contact some people in Morocco. ഞങ്ങളുടെ ഫ്രണ്ട്സിനെ കുറച്ച് എങ്ങനെയൊക്കെയോ കഷ്ടപ്പെട്ട് മൊറോക്കോ ടീയുടെ ബെനിഫിറ്റ്സ് ആൻഡ് ബെനിഫിറ്റ്സിനെക്കാട്ടിലും ഓത്തൻറ്റിക് വേ ഓഫ് പ്രിപ്പറേഷൻ ആൻഡ് അവരൊരു ട്രഡീഷണൽ ഡ്രിങ്ക് ആണ്. വാട്ട് ഡസ് ഇറ്റ് മീൻ അതിനെക്കുറിച്ച് കുറച്ച് ഡീറ്റെയിൽസ് ഞങ്ങൾക്ക് സെലക്ട് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റിയിട്ടുണ്ട്. സോ വീഡിയോ ഫുൾ എൻ്റെ വരയ്ക്ക് കാണൂ. ടീ എങ്ങനെ ഉണ്ടാക്കണം എന്ന് പറയാം, അതിൻ്റെ ഡീറ്റെയിൽസ് പറയാം. So let's get started.
Let's have Moroccan tea.
നമുക്ക് ഇങ്ങനത്തെ ഒരു ടീ കെറ്റൽ വേണം. നോർമലി മൊറോക്കൻ ടീയുടെ കെറ്റിൽ എങ്ങനെ ഉണ്ടാവുമെന്ന് ഞാൻ കാണിച്ചു തരാം ഒരു ഫോട്ടോയിൽ. ബട്ട് നമ്മുടെ അടുത്ത് ഇപ്പം അങ്ങനത്തെ കെറ്റിലൊന്നും ഉണ്ടാവാൻ വഴിയില്ല. ഇത് നോർമൽ ഒരു സിറാമിക് കെറ്റിലാണ്. ബട്ട് മൊറോക്കൻ കെറ്റിലിൻ്റെ ഉള്ളിലുള്ള പോലെ ഇവിടെ ഒരു ഫിൽറ്റർ കാണിച്ചു കൊടുക്കും. ഇവിടെ ഒരു ഫിൽറ്റർ ഉണ്ടാവും സോ ദാറ്റ് ഈ ഗ്രീൻ ടീ മിൻറ്റൊന്നും പുറത്ത് വരാതിരിക്കാൻ. ഓക്കെ, അപ്പം അങ്ങനത്തെ ഒരു ഫിൽറ്റർ ഉള്ള ഒരു സംഭവം ഞാൻ ഒപ്പിച്ചിട്ടുണ്ട്.
ഇത് ഞങ്ങൾക്ക് ഒരാളെ ഗിഫ്റ്റ് ചെയ്തതാണ്. താങ്ക്സ് ആശിഷ് ആൻഡ് മോണിക്ക ഫോർ ദിസ് ഗിഫ്റ്റ്.
So this is also called as special gunpowder. Like this is from China, but actually this is not from China. But the people in Morocco, they use something from China. So I'm adding almost one, like this is a small spoon, so I'm adding 2 spoons and a little also of this, and hot boiling water. ഒരു കെറ്റിലിൽ ഞാൻ ഹോട്ട് വാട്ടർ വെച്ചിട്ടുണ്ട്. ഇറ്റ്സ് ലൈക്ക് ബോയിലിംഗ് വാട്ടർ. സോ ഐ എം ജസ്റ്റ് ആഡിങ്
You can see the steam coming out
1
of
cup
the
of
hot
boiling water. And we'll close it and we'll rest for a moment.
So Anuka, how long do we have to keep this in the kettle?
Just for a minute.
For a minute.
Yeah, just you have to just shake it little bit.
Okay.
And we'll keep for a minute.
Okay.
So actually this Moroccan tea has something in behind. This is their traditional beverage.
Okay.
The local people in Morocco, they used to give this tea to their guests. This Moroccan tea is actually a sweet one. So how sweet the tea is, and they'll be pouring the tea from this higher and they'll keep like this and they'll be pouring. So from which height they are pouring, that depicts the importance of the guest or the hospitality being shown to the guest. This, you know, there is something behind this tea also.
Yeah.
And mostly the climate in Morocco is like during winters and all, they prefer this because this green tea and mint, they have antioxidants and that will, you know, protect their throat, something and all. So that is the reason behind this Moroccan tea. Okay, so it's been a minute, so we'll just pour it off.
Be careful. Okay.
So first we have to pour this 1 cup, where you have to keep this 1 cup, and this 1 cup is called the soul of the tea.
Soul of the tea.
Yeah.
Okay.
So this we have to keep it, and let's add little more water.
Again, hot boiling water?
Yeah, hot boiling water. I'm adding just 1 more cup of hot water. And we'll close it. Now
Right.
there is no need of waiting and all.
Okay.
Just shake it a bit and pour it.
In the second glass.
Yeah. This second glass has to be disposed.
Oh, so this is the...
Something they call that this will be the impurities in that open tea pours.
Yeah.
So now let's add a bunch of mint leaf. The full bunch I'm adding in it. And Moroccan tea is, as I told you, it's sweet. So I'm adding 1, 2, 3. Actually, for 1 spoon of tea, 3 spoons of sugar. It is their proportion of adding sugar. So I've added 2. So I'm adding almost 6 spoons of sugar. And if you're diet conscious, then you can do as per your wish. Now we have to add this soul of the tea.
Soul back to the body?
Yeah. And this boiling water. Like now we'll have to add 3 cups of water.
I don't know. This looks cool. I mean, the method of preparation is really cool.
And close it, and we'll keep it for some time. And normally when they use that Moroccan tea kettle, no, that is made of some metal. So what they'll do in this step, they'll place it over a burner. So
Okay.
This entire thing will be boiling. But since we don't have that thing, I'm adding the boiling water straight from the stove.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
just rest it for 1 minute or 2 minutes. Just rest it for 1 minute so that the juice of this mint and this tea and sugar should dissolve. Every process will come in this.
Yeah.
So guys, it's raining here.
Yeah. Let us show you the
We
rain.
made Moroccan tea.
Beautiful. And literally speaking, guys,
Aroma.
it's smelling. The
mint.
aroma is amazing.
Because you've added a bunch of fresh mint, it's smelling so good. It's literally coming here.
Yeah, I think the mint and
Tea.
that gunpowder tea, whatever it is, that is giving this special aroma. Yeah. Yeah. I'm so eager and waiting.
Just mix it a bit.
Okay.
And now we'll be mixing it in a Moroccan way. So what they do is they'll pour some tea. Okay. They'll open it and they'll mix it again. This is how the Moroccans mix their tea,
Okay.
the authentic way.
And how are these leaves filtered out then at the end?
Actually, this Moroccan tea kettle, they have something like this here
Okay.
in this part.
Okay. Okay.
So
So
since
our
we
filter
don't
is a
have
big. They have big. I mean, they might have smaller holes.
Yeah.
Okay.
So now we'll have to filter like this.
Okay. Yeah. So this is the Indian style of filtering Moroccan tea.
So again, one more time, since my glass is small, I'm adding one more time, and yeah. And I'm giving it back. So now I'm using this strainer to strain the green leaf. Okay. So one is for him, one is for me.
So guys,
Moroccan tea ready? So that in the Moroccan tea.
ooh, thank you. So we are going to have Moroccan tea in an Indian monsoon weather. Yeah. Cheers.
It's good. It's really nice.
Surprisingly, it's good. Yeah. It's super, guys. I am not.
Even I'm not a tea fan, but this is really awesome.
I like tea, but not black teas because this is a kind of black tea because without milk. So tea without milk. I'm not a fan of tea without milk, but this is something really good. This mint and that green tea and that sweetness. It's giving it a very good taste.
It's really awesome. See the color and.
It's amazing.
So guys, this is a yes. For instead of your regular tea, you change, you can do it.
Yes, and I think it's also good for health because there's I mean not so much sugar. I guess for the ones who like sugar can surely go for it.
You can add more sugar if you want. I have added less.
Yeah. So if it's a little more sweet, I'm sure it tastes even better. Yeah. Because I like sweet things a lot. So tea sweet, coffee sweet, everything has to be sweet for me. But this is really very tasty as it is. So guys, go ahead and try this Moroccan tea. Anaka has found out a very cool recipe, and thanks to Mr. Sujithbhakthan, ഞങ്ങളുടെ മലയാളി പ്രവാസി ഓക്കെ ഞങ്ങൾ ഫോളോ ചെയ്യാറുണ്ട് നിങ്ങളുടെ വീഡിയോസ് ഒക്കെ സോ ഷൗട്ട് ഔട്ട് ടു സുജിത് ഭക്തൻ താങ്ക്സ് ഫോർ ദിസ് ടിപ്പ് ദാറ്റ് യു ഹാവ് ഗിവൻ ത്രൂ യുവർ വീഡിയോ.
ഇങ്ങനെ ഒരു മൊറോക്കൻ ടീനെ കുറിച്ച് പറഞ്ഞില്ല എന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ നമുക്ക് അറിയില്ലായിരിക്കും ഇങ്ങനെ ഒരു മൊറോക്കൻ ടീ എന്നൊരു സംഭവം ഉണ്ടെന്ന്.
അതെ. സോ again thanks to Sujit Bhakthan and also Mr. Baiju, right? The one who is with him, and Sunir Candy. I think these three were the famous people from his Moroccan series. Thanks to all of them, and you guys try out the Moroccan tea at home. I think
ഇതിനിപ്പോ മൊറോക്കൻ കെറ്റിൽ വേണമെന്നില്ല, നമ്മുടെ നോർമൽ കെറ്റിൽ is even more good.
Yeah, you know, when you go to Rome, you be like Romans, but you don't need to be a Roman. So you don't need to have a Moroccan kettle, but you can do it with some Indian stuff, but the same taste. Okay. So
yes, till our next video.
It's bye from us.
And if you like our video, you know what to do. Like, share and subscribe.
Yes, make sure you do that. Okay. And then that will be a motivation for us to make more good and useful content for you all. Very soon we are expecting that we can travel again. It's monsoon and we are very eager and curious to travel. Let's see how it goes. Until then, you guys stay safe, stay home, stay happy with your family.
And be happy. Bye.
Bye.